Krutika Ziman. Hope you all are doing well. Also, I am back with another DIY after a very long time, and it's super quick, super easy, no budget, and takes only 3 steps to do it. So, if you are some fashion enthusiast, so you must have noticed that drawstring wala ruched top center mein, which is very trending, and you can see it everywhere on Pinterest, Instagram, then even in Zara stores and all. And if you love following such fashion trends but cannot spend much or don't like to spend much, so without any cost you can make such top at home, that too within few minutes. So without further ado, let's begin. And before that, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel for such DIYs, fashion, styling, food and travel vlogs, and do watch this video whole till end. And if you like it, please don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, and without further ado, let's begin. enjoyed today's video, do hit that like button and don't forget to comment. Also, do share it with your friends and family, and we'll meet you next Wednesday with something new and different. So stay home, stay safe, and do get vaccinated, and take care and bye.